Hey kids! I'm apple. I'm crunchy and sweet, perfect for snacks and pies. Apple spells me.
Hello, little ones. I'm watermelon. I'm cool, refreshing, and great for hot days. Watermelon spells watermelon.
Hi there! I'm banana. I'm the yellow fruit that's easy to peel and great for energy. Banana, that's me. Hi there! I'm strawberry. I'm red, juicy, and perfect for desserts. Stiwberry spells strawberry. Hey kids! I'm kiwi. I'm small, brown, and packed with vitamin C. Try me, I'm tangy. Kiwi spells kiwi.
Aloha! I'm pineapple. Pineapple